my channel. So today's video is a very exciting one. I am so excited to be sitting down to film this video because you guys have been asking me to film my room tour for so long now, and I've been so excited to film this video for so long, so I'm so happy. How many times can I say so in like 20 seconds? But yeah, today is the day. I am just overall so happy with how my room turned out. A little bit of backstory in case you guys don't watch a lot of my videos or you're new to my channel. First of all, hi, I'm Erin. Make sure you subscribe. But I recently moved in with my grandma, and obviously moving in gave me the opportunity to decorate my bedroom however I pleased, and this is my space. It makes me so happy to be here. I think that it really represents me and my style, and it's just like the super cozy place that like I love. So I'm excited to share that with you. Now I do have to say that I'm probably gonna change some stuff over time, like little decorations or things that I'm adding, but for the most part it's like pretty much how it's going to be. So I figured it was a good point to show you guys, and then if I change anything in the future I can just like show you guys in a vlog or something, because I am gonna be doing Vlogmas starting tomorrow. So yeah, I don't know, I'm just in a really good mood right now, and I hope that you guys are excited for this video. So I'm going to shut up because I know that you guys are probably more curious about what's behind me. Okay guys, so when you are standing in my doorway, this is what you see when you first walk into my room. So that's where I just came in. That's the door to my bedroom. And then when you first walk in, I have my dresser immediately on this wall. And I think a lot of you guys already know this just from watching my vlogs, but a lot of the furniture in my room was stuff that I redid. So I'll go ahead and put before and after pictures for as much of the stuff as possible. So this dresser was one of those things. We painted it white, and I picked out all those knobs on Amazon. So I'm so thrilled with how it turned out. So on top of my dresser over here, I have this little mirrored tray with some of my perfumes. I have some candles and a body lotion. And then over here, I just have this jewelry organizer. And then I actually have some more stuff like in this box as well. And then the mirror that I have hanging above my dresser was actually from Goodwill, and this was $5. Like, not even kidding, it was $5. The detail on it is so pretty. It's in really good condition. So I'm so happy that I found that. And then I'm not sure where that like organizer came, and then the tray was actually from Goodwill as well. So most of this stuff was thrifted, and I love the way that they look together. So then moving over here, I think that eventually I'm gonna wanna get something to put in this corner, if it's like a fake plant or hang something on the wall. I'm not really sure yet, but I don't have anything here. And then my nightstands, I actually redid as well. So those ones were from Goodwill. I have the matching one over there. The knobs that I put on this one, I found at Hobby Lobby. They're just gold with the like crystal in the middle. So on this nightstand, I have my lamp, obviously. I have some fake flowers, and then a candle that changes just depending on which one I'm burning. And these flowers, you guys will kind of see move around because sometimes I like having them in the background of videos, or sometimes I'll put them up on my dresser. So those kind of move around, but I like them here because they hide my Echo Dot, which I love, but I don't really like the way that it looks. So that was strategically placed. So then moving on to my bed, the headboard that I have was actually the one that my grandma just had in her guest room. So we painted that white. And then the mirror that I have hanging above my bed was from the store at home. I really like the way that it looks. I know that it's really popular to do stuff like that now. And then on my bed, I just have a white quilt with this pink blanket. I'm not sure where the blanket is from, but the quilt is from Kohl's. These two grayish pillows are from Home Goods, and then this one is from the At Home store as well, so the same place that I got my mirror from. And then the sheets on my bed right now I didn't pick out, it's just a set that my grandma had, so eventually I'll probably get like white ones or pink ones or something, but I think that those ones are fine for now. So then moving over here, I obviously have my other nightstand. On this nightstand, I don't keep too much stuff just because at night I'm plugging in my phone, and I sometimes have a water bottle and I'm putting stuff there. So this one's a little bit more plain. I just have another candle and a book. My lamps are from Hobby Lobby, and then the knobs, like I said, are the same ones that are from Hobby Lobby as well. So then on this wall, I have this shelf, and this was actually a white shelf that I bought from IKEA. I don't remember what it was called, so I'll go ahead and link it in case you guys are interested, but I bought it from IKEA and then spray painted it gold. I actually got that idea off of Pinterest. I had been wanting a shelf like this, but they're like $300 at least everywhere that they have them for sale. So this one I got for about $50, and then I just had to buy the spray paint. I mostly just use the shelf for decoration rather than like actual storage. So that's just an overview of it. This top shelf, I have fake flowers. Those are from Goodwill. And then I have All in Good Taste from Kate Spade, and then Tory Burch in Color, just like coffee table books. And then obviously the shelf is a little bit more meaningful. I have Ryan and I's prom picture. This frame and picture I actually had in my old bedroom. And then I put the 19 in front of it since that was Ryan's lucky number, as a lot of you guys know. I wasn't planning on putting the 19 here, but I saw them at the store and I just thought it was really cute, and it'd be a nice little way to kind of remember him and have a piece of him with me in my room. And then this jar, I don't like have anything in it. I got it from that at-home store, and I just like the colors because I didn't want every single thing to be pink and gold, so I like that it pulls a little bit of blue, then it matches the book and my dress, so I just have that jar for decoration. Then this plant and the pot that it's in, it's just like a little plant from IKEA. And then this little alarm clock, I thought it was just really cute. It's from Home Goods, and there's not a battery in it. I mean, I could use it as an actual clock, but I just think that it looks cute there. And then on the bottom, I plan on getting like a basket or some sort of storage box, but I haven't picked anything yet. So I've just been keeping my laptop there, which is nice because it's accessible, but obviously it's out of the way. And then next to it, I just have this basket that I got from Kirkland. I like that it's different from a typical woven basket. It kind of has that like scalloped look to it. And then I just have extra pillows and blankets in that. So then there's really not that much else to my room because it wraps back around to where I started. So I have my closets here. They're not really organized or anything right now. Obviously they just have clothes and whatnot in here. And one of the things that I definitely plan on adding to my room would be like frames or quotes or something in this space between the closets, because I feel like right now it just looks really plain. So I don't know what I would do yet, but I'm not really like in a hurry to do that. And then the last thing that I have over here is this mirror, and I'm so excited about this. I found this at Kirkland's and it was like $40, so much cheaper than all of the other ones that I had been looking at. So I'm so happy with it, and this way I can do outfit of the days and whatnot. So that actually brings me right back to where I started. Keep my new Tory. And then also there is the mirror on the back of my door that was just already here. I know that I have this one and then the one behind me and then the one next to it. So I'm eventually going to take this one off the door and then put some like hooks up at the top so I can hang purses and jackets. So I'm going to wrap up this video. I hope that you guys liked getting a little peek into my bedroom. Like I said, I love the way that it turned out. This is my space and it makes me so happy. So I am happy to be sharing it with you. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions about where I got something or if I missed anything, which I don't know if I did, but if you're curious about where I got something, go ahead and let me know in the comment section. And I just love you guys so much, so I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!